Hello friends, welcome to Cooking Stories. Today we are going to prepare famous Kerala dish Kootu curry in Malabar style. First we will add around 200 grams of black chana which we have soaked overnight. Add 1 cup of water and pressure cook it for around 5 whistles. Meanwhile, we will take 1 tablespoon of jeera, 2 tablespoons of pepper, 1 cup grated coconut and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Grind it for just few seconds to crush all the ingredients. We will not make a paste of it. Once the pressure is completely released, we will add 250 grams of raw banana cut into small pieces. For this, we are using Nendran variety of banana which is famous particularly in Kerala. The bananas we have cut into small pieces and washed in water along with little turmeric to get rid of its stickiness. Now add around 250 grams of yam cut into cubes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of salt or as per your taste. Add around 1 cup of water and mix all the ingredients properly. Now close the lid and pressure cook it again for 2 whistles. After pressure is released from the cooker, mash the yam little bit. Some yams will get cooked easily, so in that case we need not mash. Now we will add our grinded semi paste which we prepared earlier to it. Turn on the flame and mix it nicely. Add around 1 cup of water and mix all the ingredients properly. Keep it on medium flame and cook it for few seconds. Now add few curry leaves and let it cook for few seconds more. For our tadka, we will take around 6 tablespoons of coconut oil, around 1 cup grated coconut, 3 dried red chillies, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and few curry leaves. Now saute it well till our coconut turns golden brown in color. Our coconut have turned nice brown color. So now we will add our cooked veggies into it. Finally, keep it on low flame and mix it properly. Our tasty and aromatic Malabar style Kootu curry is ready.